In this video, we will discuss June 2019 paper number 2. Question number 51. Which one of the following is not a correct match? Option D is correct. Democratic socialism, radical change. Question number 52. Karl Marx, the founder of Marxism, formerly was the citizen of which one of the following countries? Option D is correct. None of the above. Now question number 53. Which one of the following is not related to neo-Marxism? Option D is correct, that is Rosa Luxemburg. Now question number 54. Feminists argued that women's values are based primarily on, option B is correct, prescribed social roles. Question number 55. Who authored the book Silent Spring? Option C is correct, Rachel Carson. Now question number 56. The immigrating ethnic cultural groups which never get opportunity to become citizens under multiculturalism are, option A is correct, Metis. Now question number 57. Who wrote the book Multicultural Citizenship, A Liberal Theory of Minority Rights in 1995? Option C is correct, Will Kimlicka. Now question number 58. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option A is correct. Late Capitalism is by Frederick Jameson. Deconstructionism is given by Jacques Derrida. Collapse of Grand Narrative given by Lyotard. And Concept of Knowledge and Power is given by Michael Foucault. Now, question number 59. Making someone better without making others worse is associated with which one of the following? Option A is correct. That is Pareto's principle of optimality. Now question number 60. Which one of the following is incorrect with regard to postmodernism? Option D is correct, historical tendency. Question number 61. Dialectic method was used for the first time in the writings of which one of the following thinkers? Option B is correct, Plato. Now question number 61. Assertion, reason, assertion. In Machiavellian thought and justify means reason, the key objective of the prince was to bring unity and integrity of the state. Choose the correct answer from the code given below. Option A is correct, that is both the statement are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Now question number 62 is done. Question number 63. Who stated that the life of man is solitary, poor, nasty, brutish and short? Option B is correct, Hobbes. Now question number 64. The English think they are free. They are free only during the elections of member of the parliament. Who said this? Option D is correct, Rousseau. Now move on to next question. Question number 65. Who stated that placing restriction on freedom of expression of human beings is like robbing of the present and the future races? Option A is correct, J.S. Mill. Now question number 66. Who said that art, religion and philosophy differs only in form, their purpose is the same? Option C is correct, Hegel. Question number 17. That is question number 67. Who is the writer of the book A Great and a Terrible World? Option A is correct, Antonio Gramsci. Question number 68. Black Skin, White Mask is written by, option C is correct, Frantz Fanon. Now question number 69. Who said that political work is the lifeblood of all economic work? Option B is correct, Mao Zedong. Now question number 70. The idea of justice as fairness in Rawlsian theory flows from, option A is correct, individual. Question number 71 is assertion, reason, assertion. According to Gandhi, politics divorce from religion is a death trap. Reason, the entry of religion into politics is necessary because without religion it may take a communal color. Option A is correct, both the statements are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 72. Which one of the following writings were associated with Muhammad Iqbal? Option C is correct, that is A, B and D. Tarana-e-Hind, The Reconstruction of Religious Thought in India and the Bange Dhara. Now question number 73. Integrated humanism means, option A is correct, that is A, B and C. Human life is not isolated, harmony among individual, society and nation and the essential unity of a man. Now question number 74. How many prakritis of Mandal theory of state are enumerated by the Kautilya? Option D is correct, that is 72. Now question number 75. Pandita Ramabai was accorded the title of Pandita for, option D is correct, being a Sanskrit scholar. Now question number 76 is match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is A is correct. Option A is correct, that is Marx, Gandhi and Socialism given by Ram Manohar Lohia. Gandhi and Gandhism given by B.R. Ambedkar. Savitri, a legend and symbol is given by Aurobindo, and Gitanjali by Rabindranath Tagore. Now next question, question number 77. Who wrote the biography of Jayaprakash Narayan? Option B is correct, Ramkrishna Benipuri. Now question number 78. Gandhi believes in. Option D is correct, and means both should be justified. Now question number 79. Which of the following newspaper are not related to Tilak? Option D is correct, that is CND, Sudharak and Harijan. Now move on to next question. Question number 80. Agni Sutta is, option A is correct, 27th Sut of Digh Nikaya. Now question number 81. Who among the following used the term politicalization of caste in Indian politics for the first time? Option A is correct, Rajni Kothari. Now question number 82. Which one of the following is not a component of primordialism? Option B is correct, class. Question number 83. Who among the following is or are the exponent of three democratic upsurge in the democratic politics of India? Option D is correct, none of the above. Question number 84. The term ABCD is primarily associated with which one of the following? Option A is correct, formation of states. Now question number 85. Which one of the following is not a classified category of political parties as defined by the Election Commission of India? Option A, C is correct, regional parties. Now question number 86. The demand for Harit Pradesh is related to which one of the following regions in India? Option A is correct, Western UP. Question number 87. Chronologically arrange the following parties in ascending order in the term of their entry in the democratic politics of India. Option B is correct. First is the All India Trinamool Congress, then Nationalist Congress Party, then the Telangana Rashtriya Samiti, and the last is Maharashtra Navnirman Sena. Now question number 88. Which one of the following does not form the basis of difference between voluntary organization and NGOs? Option D is correct, commitment to the secular and democratic ideals. Now question number 89. The only tribal leader honored by the Parliament of India through installation of his portrait in its museum is, option B is correct, Birsa Munda. Question number 90. Which one of the following is incorrect with regard to plain holidays? Option D is correct. Plain holidays were introduced due to the failure of all three preceding 5-year plans. Now question number 91. Which one of the following is the full title of the book written by Hans J. Morgenthau? It is option C is correct, Politics Among Nations, The Struggle for Power and Peace. Now question number 92. The class of civilization thesis means, option D is correct, conflict would not be primarily ideological or economic but rather cultural in character. Question number 93. When diplomacy ends, war begins. Who said this? Option A is correct, Adolf Hitler. Question number 94. Which one of the following is not a violent non-state actor? Option C is correct, PLO. Now question number 95. What is the meaning of the term just in bello? Option C is correct, the just conduct of war. Question number 96. Which one of the following is not true with regard to Brexit? ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, दैट इज ब्रेक्जिट के पक्ष में मुख्यतः युवा मतदाता ने अपना वोट दिया, दैट द यूथ गिव वोट इन फेवर ऑफ ब्रेक्जिट. Now question number 97. The term flying bee is got associated with which one of the following association? Option A is correct, ASEAN. Question number 98. Which one of the following Indian tradition is declared recently as intangible culture heritage of the humanity? Option A is correct, Kumbh. Now question number 99. The poor are poor not because of what they do not have but because of what they cannot do. Who said this? Option B is correct, Amartya Sen. Now question number 100. Which international agreement gave for the first time legal binding targets on reducing greenhouse emission to the countries? Option B is correct, Kyoto Protocol of 1997. Question number 101. Which one of the following statement is true with regard to NPT and CTBT? Option D is correct, that is India has never signed NPT and CTBT nor ratified it. Now question number 102. India has signed comprehensive economic partnership agreement with which of the following countries? Option C is correct, Japan. Now question number 103. India is holding talk with ASEAN to extend which highway to Vietnam? Option A is correct, India, Myanmar, Thailand. Now question number 104. India was re-elected on the executive board of which one of the following UN bodies in 2017? Option D is correct, UNDP. Now question number 105. India and EU have established which mechanism for furthering trade ties? Option B is correct, investment facilitation mechanism. Question number 106. With which country India has signed a long-term agreement for Sukhoi Su-30 MKI combat aircraft fleet? Option D is correct, that is Russia. Now question number 107. Look West policy of India advocated expansion and extension of India's relationship with. Option C is correct, West Asian countries. Now question number 108. Who is the largest G20 investor country in India? Option C is correct, UK. Now question number 109. Under the Indus Water Treaty with Pakistan, India has the exclusive right over the rivers of. Option B is correct, Ravi, Byas and Satluj. Now question number 110. The anti-satellite missile test conducted by India on 27 March 2019 is known as. Option C is correct, Mission Shakti. Now question number 111. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct, that is habeas corpus is you should have the body of, mandamus is to command, certiorari to be informed, and quo warranto is by what warrant. Now question number 112. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option A is correct, that is electoral system is in article 324 to 329. Service under the Union and State Commission is 308 to 323. Panchayati Raj is in 243 to 243 O, and judicial system at union level is in article 124 to 147. Now move on to next question. Question number 113. Which of the following taxes are levied by the union but are collected and appropriated by the state? Option A is correct, A and B, that is stamp duties and excise duties on medical and toilet material. Now question number 114. That is the total number of ministers including prime minister and deputy minister shall not exceed. Option C is correct, 15% member of the Lok Sabha. Now question number 115. In which case was it declared that the preamble is not the part of the constitution? Option D is correct, Berubari case. Question number 116. Madan Mohan Punchi Commission was appointed to the study of. Option A is correct, center-state relation. Question number 117, that is match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option A is correct, that is Granville Austin. The Indian Constitution, the cornerstone of a nation. Morris Jones is the government and politics of India. M.V. Pyle is constitutional government in India, and Ivor Jennings is some characteristics of the Indian Constitution. Question number 118. Members of the cabinet mission plan were. Option A is correct, Lord Pethick Lawrence, Sir Stafford Cripps and A.V. Alexander. Question number 119. The Supreme Court of India has the power to adjudicate disputes between the union and the state through. Option B is correct, original jurisdiction. Now question number 120. Which one of the following commission are statutory bodies? Option D is correct, B and C, that is National Commission for Human Rights and National Commission for Minorities. Now question number 121. The fundamental difference between institutionalism and new institutionalism would primarily be located on the principle of. Option C is correct, experimentation. Now question number 122 is match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option C is correct, that is David Easton give the black box. Lucian Pye is development syndrome. Samuel P. Huntington is waves of democratization, and S.M. Lipset is political men. Now question number 123. Assertion reason. Assertion. Nation and nationalism can variedly be conceptualized and defined but without being generalized in common theorization. Reason. There can be discourses, not common theories on nation and nationalism. Option A is correct, as both the statement are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Now question number 124. New democracy as hegemony of the workers, peasants, and other marginalized sections of the society is associated with which one of the following? Option A is correct, Sublateran school. Now question number 125. In Samuel P. Huntington's analysis, India is placed in which one of the following waves of democratization? Option B is correct, second wave of democratization. Now question number 126. Happiness index is the creation of which one of the following countries? Option A is correct, Bhutan. Now move on to next question. Question number 127. Who equated revolution with fear? Option C is correct, Crane Britain. Now question number 128. Statesiology is the study of, option C is correct, political parties. Question number 129. Which one of the following pair is incorrectly matched? Option D is correct, fruit bowl, UK. Question number 130. Circulation of elite most closely refer to which one of the following? Option A is correct, rotation of elites. Now question number 131. Assertion reason. Assertion, there is no ideal number of persons a supervisor can supervise. Reason, span of control varies depending on factor like function, time, space, and delegation of authority. Option A is correct. Both A and R is true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Now question number 132. Who among the following predicted that bureaucracy is likely to go out of use in the wake of the new social system better suited to the 20th century demand of industrialization? Option A is correct, Warren Bennis. Now question number 133. Which one of the following theory is known as the traditional theory? Option A is correct, the organization theory. Now question number 134. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct, that is crisis of identity in 1948 to 1970. Era of challenge is 1938 to 1947. Principle of administration is 1927 to 37. Politics and administration dichotomy in 1887 to 1926. Now question number 135. Who among the following make a distinction between the public and the private administration? Option C is correct, A. Paul Appleby, Herbert Simon, and Sir Joshua Stamp. Now question number 136. That is, who among the following summarizes the theme of new public administration under 5 heads: relevance, values, social equity, change, and client focus? Option A is correct, Frank Marini. Question number 137. Which one of the following are the main feature of scientific management? Choose the correct answer from the code given below. Option A is correct, B. Functional foremanship. C. Separation of planning and execution, and D. Differential piecework plan. Now question number 138. The book The Intellectual Crisis in American Public Administration deals with, option A is correct, public's choice approach. Now question number 139. Internal communication can be, option D is correct, upward, downward, and across. Now question number 140. Which one of the following ways are suggested by MP Follett for resolving conflict in organization? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct, that is domination, compromise, and integration. Now question number 141. Which one of the following are the determinantal effects of corruption on development? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct, that is all of the above. Lower level of social services, lower income growth, higher tax burden and fewer services, and lower opportunities for farmers to sell their products. Question number 142. Arrange the introduction of the following development programs in an ascending order. Select the correct option from the code given below. Option C is correct, that is Indira Awas Yojana, then Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, then Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana, and the last is Atal Pension Yojana. Question number 143. Which one of the following traits have been introduced by the right to information in the political administrative settings? Option B is correct, that is caution, care, and vigilance. Question number 144. Arrange the following committees in chronological order. Option B is correct. First is the Kothari Committee, then Satish Chandra Committee, then Yogendra K. Alga Committee, and the last is Pota Committee. Now question number 145. Under the Lokpal and Lok Yukta Act, a person can be appointed chairperson of Lokpal if he or she is. Select the correct answer from the code given below. Option C is correct, that is if he or she is or has been the Chief Justice of India, is or has been a Justice of the Supreme Court of India, or is or has been an eminent person. Now question number 146. Which one of the following is the nodal ministry for the National Human Rights Commission? Option C is correct, Ministry of Home Affairs. Now question number 147. Which one of the following services is not mentioned in the constitution? Option C is correct, Indian Foreign Services are not mentioned. Now question number 148. Which one of the following commission or committee has recommended the creation of a district council in every district with representative from both urban and rural areas? Option D is correct, second Administrative Reform Commission. Question number 149. Which one of the following appointments are made by the President of India by warrant under his or her seal and sign? Option D is correct, A and B, the judges of the Supreme Court of India and the governor of the state. Now question number 150. Niti Aayog is a, option A is correct, staff agency.